In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete blank rows in Google Sheets, a quick and effective way to keep your data tidy and organized. Whether you're working on a personal project or managing business data, unwanted blank rows can sometimes make your spreadsheet less readable and can even lead to errors down the line. Let's get started with how to efficiently remove these blank rows. First, you want to open the Google Sheet you are working on. If you haven't prepared your sheet yet, go ahead and log into your Google account and open the sheet where you've identified the blank rows that need to go. Once you're in your Google Sheets interface, take a deep breath and prepare yourself to tidy up that data. Now, let's choose a starting point. Click on any cell within your sheet. This will ensure that you're able to navigate through the spreadsheet easily. Sometimes, it's hard to visually select all the blank rows you want to delete just by looking through them. Therefore, selecting any cell first is a great way to get started as it serves as your anchor in the sheet. Next, we're going to identify the blank rows. Hold down the Control key if you're on a Windows computer or the CMD key if you're on a Mac, and continue clicking each blank cell within the rows you wish to delete. This method allows you to select multiple areas of the spreadsheet without losing your previous selections. Once you've highlighted all blank rows, simply use the right-click button on your mouse. Bringing up the right-click menu in Google Sheets will provide you with a variety of different options that we'll use next. The right-click is your best friend here when you want to make any quick adjustments. From the menu that appears after you right-click, go ahead and choose the option labeled Delete Rows. You might encounter an option like Delete all rows from 16 to 1000, or whatever the specified range might be. This option will immediately remove all those unsightly blank rows from your sheet. It's a quick fix that really cleans up the data, making it more readable and organized. And there you have it. Gone are the blank rows, paving the way for a cleaner, more efficient spreadsheet. It's a simple process, but doing it the correct way ensures that you maintain the integrity of your data while eliminating any unnecessary clutter. With your spreadsheet now free of blank rows, you can better focus on analyzing your data without distraction. Thanks for joining today's tutorial. I hope it was helpful and it gives you one less thing to worry about in your busy schedule. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your data management even more effective. Happy spreadsheeting.